The 1E error code on a Samsung washing machine indicates a problem with the water level sensor, which can be caused by several factors, including issues with the water level sensor itself, problems with the inlet valve, loose connections, or a malfunctioning pressure switch hose. Common causes of this error include a damaged inlet valve, which can be identified by water leakage around the machine, or a blocked inlet valve, which prevents water from filling the washing machine and triggers the error code. Additionally, a damaged or clogged pressure switch hose can also lead to this error, often due to wear and tear or blockages. To resolve the issue, replacement of the damaged part may be necessary. If the inlet valve is damaged, it must be replaced, which can be done by purchasing a new one online or at a hardware store. However, if the inlet valve is only blocked, it can be cleared by switching off the washing machine, unplugging it, removing the water valves, inspecting and cleaning them with diluted distilled white vinegar and a brush, and then reattaching them. If this does not resolve the issue, the valve may need to be replaced. It is also essential to check the drain hose for any signs of bending or damage and decide whether to replace it or call a technician for repairs. The water level sensor should be inspected for any debris or damage that may be preventing it from functioning correctly, and if necessary, cleaned with a cloth. After cleaning the sensor, the washing machine should be restarted to see if the error code reappears. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to call a professional technician for further assistance.